Hello there and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is not the video that I was going to post tonight, but it is a part of it, so there we go. Let's wash our hands because coronavirus. And this is going to be a makeup tutorial, a mental makeup tutorial, so let's quickly get on with it. Feel the ugliness as we touch it. If I haven't already touched my face, I will go on and touch it now. Touch all those pimples and cover them in shitloads of concealer and makeup. So step 1, like I mentioned earlier, is to wash your hands because coronavirus. Step 2 is to write a big no and agree that panda eyes are for the sick and depressed. The next step is to hide more and hide all of my laughter lines caused by me laughing, because depressed people cannot be laughing and don't laugh or smile at all. Step 4 is to cover more. Cover my skin's reaction to the weather and climate, not just my poor eating habits. We want to cover it all. Cover all of that natural beauty, spots and birthmarks if you have any. We love plastic. Then we move on to the next step, which is making sure all of the sadness at this stage that might be visible is wiped away. We need a clean face. By clean, I mean a fair and happy face, yeah? A very fair face. And do not forget your forehead, because that's where your destiny rides. By now, there should be a little bit of product left on your makeup sponge. And if you're cheap like I am, let's continue blending. Softly blend it all like that very quiet slap that knocks domestic violence. Now that we look all beautiful and pale, time to blush. Let's blush, shall we? Let's blush a lot. Let's blush a lot. Let's make sure our entire face blushes of fake happiness, like we're surrounded by men, because only men can make us blush, and only romantic relationships can cause depression and other mental health problems. Let's also not forget our nose, because cold is cute, and cold nose symbolizes a cold heart, which is the ultimate goal. We want to own it. We want to own our cold heart. I think our eyes speak honestly and say a lot more. And because I'm a talkative person, I'm gonna highlight my eyelids using a bit of blush, and at the same time make my lips look really pale by putting a nude shade on, because white lipstick will make my teeth look yellow, and we don't like yellow. Oh no, I've lost it. I've completely lost the point. My lip line, just like the news channels covering Sushant's death. Where is it? Can you see it? Because my lips are big, but they're so small. Oh wait, I got some gloss. Maybe that'll help me see the point of it. Oh, maybe putting some gloss on will make it. What is it called? My Cupid's bow? Cupid's bow, is it? Maybe it'll make it glow and we'll finally be able to see it. I am gonna use 100 shades of lipstick because my lips right now is like a film industry. We're all focused on it, on how it's a trigger for depression. But no, it's everywhere. And it is also spread in the film industry. Spread because it's like a virus and we can eliminate it, right? We can stay at home and understand it. I am going to move away from my lips and spread my lipstick a little bit. Everywhere, all over my face. Whoop. Now that looks beautiful. Let me make myself a little bit more clear. Let me make my eyes just as loud as my lips are right now. So watch me whip, watch me nay. Yes. Did that make sense? No. Because we don't make sense sometimes. Maybe most of the time. Maybe when we do use words that make sense, we don't use them to form sentences. I mean, literally what they sound like. But to essentially convey a message that gives you an insight into our experiences, feelings, how we think, and also maybe call for help sometimes. So let me balance it out. Let me give justice to our emotions by grabbing your attention to our eyes, where we hold them in, because even though language plays a vital role in communication, it can be complex, yet easily be used to trick you into believing something that we don't. So let us all go and travel together, maybe, to a place where we can listen to each other in silence.